Have you ever noticed how your mind slows down near the trees? Your breath deepens, your heart feels lighter, and that's not random. It is ancient intelligence of nature. Our nervous system was never designed for concrete, screens, or traffic. It was designed for forests, rivers, sunlight, the sound of birds, the smell of earth. Science now proves what ancient wisdom always knew. Green spaces lowers down your cortisol levels, which is your stress hormone. They balance your autonomic nervous system. They activate the parasympathetic, that is your healing state. That is the exact reason why even 10 minutes in greenery can lower your heartbeats and relax your brain waves. It can calm down racing thoughts and restore your emotional balance. But it is more than biology. Spiritually, nature reconnects you to your original frequency. That is why nature feels like a reset button. It's not escape, it is homecoming. Always remember, next time anxiety rises, don't reach for your phone. Just step out, touch a tree, breathe deep in nature. Feel the breeze and let the earth regulate you. Because nature is not outside of you, it is you. Follow for more spiritual science that heals. Don't forget it to share with those who need this information. And please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for listening.